Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a detailing video. So this is my red Dodge Ram. So today we're going to be detailing this, just the inside, because the outside's kind of, I can show you guys. The outside's all faded, clear coat. There's no fixing that. Well, I don't want to fix that anyway. But anyways, yeah, we're going to be doing the thing for the inside. So let's get into it. Guys, as you can see, my vehicle's trash. I haven't really had it detailed or detailed it myself within like a year or two of having it, so don't judge me in the comments. Just just watch the video, enjoy. First step is to take all the trash and the personal items out of the vehicle, which this is my truck, so I'm kind of just throwing it all in a bag together because I know what's what. But for other people's vehicles, you want to get two separate bags, a couple of bags to get all their stuff in, so you don't lose any of it and such. So then I move right on to taking the floor mats out, and you got to make sure you fold them so you don't grab any of the dirt inside. And then from there, I go right into a vacuum and vacuum the whole carpet. here I'm using my pump sprayer with my carpet solution inside of it, diluted 10 to 1. and I'm going to use my drill brush attachment to agitate the solution to clean out the carpet. And I have the small attachment to clean out the hard to reach areas like this one. Alright, here I'm using my extractor with just hot water inside of it. In case you guys were wondering what extractor I'm using the Blissel Little Green extractor, and it gets the job done fine. I've been using it for a couple months now, and I love it. So it's great for your budget. So this stain is from antifreeze I had underneath my truck, and the gallon of it broke open, so this is all just old antifreeze that I'm getting up now, so that's why it's like a big glob of just mess. Guys, so I don't have any after video footage of the truck, but obviously you can see it's cleaned. I didn't do any of the plastics or anything like that, just because it's my truck, and I just wanted to clean the carpets because you guys saw them. But if you guys want to see me do a full detail of anything else, and like the inside or shampoo or plastics and how I do it all, just comment down below and like the video, and I'll upload more videos like this. Thanks for watching.